Hey, I want the fastest path to a software development job. What coding language should I learn? There's still a slew of context questions in there. Fastest path to a job paying how much? Because the fastest path to a software development job is a low entry-level position, 40 to 60K, and the fastest path would be either Python or JavaScript, right? Either of those will get you entry-level positions. But maybe you really want a six-figure position, right? And you want to work on a team. You want to work for a big company with a nice salary that has room to grow. Okay, now there's more to that question. You could start with front end, and many students do, and then go from there. The highest salaries are commanded by full stack developers. But if you really want to get paid the most to work the little, learning a legacy language would be ideal, because there's languages out there like Fortran or COBOL that run these behemoth systems like the ATM network, telephone switching systems, right? They're written in really old languages, and they don't require maintenance very often. They're really well written. But when they do, there's like one guy on the entire Eastern Seaboard that they can call who lives in Atlanta, and because he's the only one still living that had experience working with that language. So I know I get this question. I'm not trying to make light of it, but at the end of the day, you can learn just about any language and get a job. Fastest jobs would be, well, what language did you see the most posts for, right? That would be one way to look at it. I think anything in web with JavaScript, React.js is going to be fairly safe. Angular is going to be safe. The downside with legacy languages is there's much fewer positions, and they may not be full-time, right? It depends. But any language you learn, there's somebody hiring for it. What I would urge you to consider is, what do you want to create? And I'm assuming you don't want just a job and then to leave it in a couple months or a year, right? You want to have like a career. And so from that perspective, you're going to have a lot more success pursuing what you're passionate about. And so I would say, look at what you want to create. What are the hot languages right now in that? And then go there.